This week our letter is letter N, and N makes the sound N. And the way we form capital N, we stick a nail in the ground, pick up our pencil, then we do a sideways nail and then go up. And lowercase n, you stick a nail in the ground and then go right back up for one hump. So our options for letter N, they can go outside. It looks like we're going to have a couple nice days. Do nature N. So they can find rocks, leaves, sticks, whatever they can find, make N's with things that they find in nature. A letter N, hunt. So they can either just look on things that are already printed, words, and see if they can find N's, or you can put them on sticky notes and hide them around the house or outside and find those. Use marshmallows to make letter N, or they can do their handwriting page, or if they have a different idea, they can also do that as well.